Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Lasa Nimsu. So today's vlog is kind of random because we are just going down a river stream which is it is quite close to our grandparents' house. So we are going there with my family as well as Kunchan and my grandfather. So they are going in front of us and I'm kind of vlogging, so I am a bit late. Actually, we were deciding to go to Darjeeling Bazaar, but as my grandfather went to the hospital, we didn't go. So for that reason, I have already applied some liner on my eyes. And here is my mom. She is mommy.
Hi.
And here is Kunchan. I'm feeling a lot cold, so I'm wearing these gloves as well. So it's also quite sunny, but
See the view, guys.
here is the view. And it's bright sunlight, but still it is quite cold.
Like in the childhood, we used to come here to play. So I'm just feeling like coming here.
So here are all the graveyards here. There are a few graveyards all around this area, as you can just see.
And there's the dense forest.
Look at the clouds, guys, there. It looks like cotton floating on top of the mountains. I'm also chewing some gum, which my grandmother gave me just a few minutes earlier.
Are you feeling scary? Because the area is almost graveyard.
No, as it is day. If it was night, then I would never come here.
Let's plan for the night.
It will become a horror vlog if they come at night. My mom trying to do sound effect of the horror.
Sorry.
My mom is also dancing. Entry of my great grandmother and grandfathers.
स्वर्गीय श्री पञ्चवीर तामाङ
अन्त अर्को चाहिँ
Srimati Maina Devi Tamang.
मैना देवी तामाङ
श्री पञ्च
2002. When I got married this year.
born
Oh my god. So I just now slept on the stairs, and here is a tiny stream, but the main river stream, my mom told that it was up there. So she told that there is a different route to go there. Here it is freezing cold because of the weather, because sunlight is not here. Sunlight, if it's there, then it is a bit warm, but still the wind and all that makes it super duper cold, guys. Like, it's freezing kind of cold right now. So so my grandfather is cleaning here.
And this is the place where monsoon sit and study.
Haunted washroom. कुञ्चन गएर फेरि नआउला नि फर्केर. Coming. I'm walking really slowly as I don't want to slip again, because if I slip here, then I will go right to the basement. So here
These are all the flowers, I think.
for the berries.
So sweet berries. It's like yellow and green mixed up berries.
Kunchu,
Say something. How you are feeling?
gents or some, it's that side, Kunchu.
Kunjan, say something. How you are feeling? Adil, more.
And it's kind of a beautiful place, but it's a scary place.
Why scary? So beautiful, so sunny weather. Why you are feeling scary? So what? We all have to die one day.
Guys, it
So-
literally looks like a haunted washroom.
So what's the great deal in that? Huh? Say something about Minsan.
It's very cute.
And
Very naughty also.
and what more?
And
Don't know.
Tell me about Darjeeling. Something about Darjeeling. Special something about Darjeeling.
it is a beautiful hill station, and it's full of places to visit.
And some special things you'll only found in Darjeeling.
Like the toy train.
Yes, and what else? What else?
So is that.
And
And
why do tourists come here? To see what?
Tiger Hill.
Tiger Hill,
And
toy train.
Chorus.
what is
Tourist
Darjeeling
huh?
famous for?
Darjeeling is famous for its beautiful places.
No,
tea hai na?
Darjeeling is famous for Darjeeling tea. So you forgot.
And kind of.
So my father and grandfather just came from cleaning the cemetery.
Don't open too much.
Oh my god.
This is the tite patta.
What is that? What is that?
If you get some wound, then you have to just rub it and put all over here, all over the wound part. It will be cured.
ऐसिलो हुने हो त्यो.
So now we are going to take another route which will take us to the river stream, and I am exhausted just by walking, as well as I just slept down, that's why. Moon is also there right now. It's a half moon. It's a half moon, Kunju. Which that upside?
बतासे हैन उ हो गोइङ्का.
Goenka. The wild sugar canes here.
See some marigold flowers. Is also there.
Marigold.
Here.
Where is it? Oh, this is Radhika.
I think I'm literally gonna have goosebumps here because I don't want to fall again somewhere. Ooh.
यो भयो त डर बाटो गएको हामी अस्ति यो मौज छ तल
Which? Oh my god.
त्यो चाहिँ नगएको
Guys, I think I'm gonna get some leeches here, which will stick to my skin, because this place is filled with grasses and plants and trees, and I'm feeling really hot right now. Kunju,
Fast,
hey Kunju, take these gloves.
I want to.
Take. Somebody take this glove. Oof. Took off my jacket. Here is a leakage. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Mommy, are we going on an adventure or what? Oh my god. Look at this place. If we fall, we will go. Oh my god. Whew. Oh my god. Guys, here are like pipes and all that stuff, guys. So we are returning back because the road is very slippery, so we might slip. For that reason, we are just going to go back. Whew. Oh my god. The hell am I supposed to climb this rock? Oof. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Oh. Finally saved from that like so scary place.
11 or take, 11 or take.
Oh my god. Oh. I'm feeling like we are going on an adventure, on like some trip on the mountains. Like it is giving me that vibe right now. So I'm supposed that this is the route that we took. Oof. I think we came from here, huh? We came from here only. Oof. This. I'm getting all exhausted here. Where? So we are again going somewhere up. Mama.
있나 봐. 이거 저기하고. 웃어도 올 거고.
Oh my god. I'm exhausted.
River stream lane. River stream lane.
River stream got me exhausted like hell. Titanic. Kunjan, do the Titanic pose again. Mama, I know. Kunjan doing the Titanic pose.
This is the sisnu. Squash. This squash is good for diabetic patient, kidney patient.
Out at
You show yourself, no?
아무리 얘가 나온단다.
Ay,
Eh. Hey, sisnu, sir, sisnu.
bubble.
You wanna go?
Bubble something is there.
Hi, Bo. Hi.
Vlogging. Yo. Kunjan is going to Thailand. Hi, Line.
यो चाहिँ बन्द गर्यो
यिनीहरूलाई साह्रो पर्छ नि त
Oh my god, what is this
यो हाम्रो पानीको पाइप यही हो
place? Look, our house is there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oof. So I'm exhausted as hell by just walking there. So this is going to be it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.
Subscribe!
And don't forget to subscribe.
Yay!